Tim, thank you so much for joining me today. I want to ask you about the work you're doing and what you consider to be the biggest challenges that you're still trying to overcome as you try and move the organisation towards being more customer focused.
Yeah, I think all the industry has recognised that there's a strong need and a desire to get the patient to be more centric to what we actually do. I think that's been very much tied with how the advances in technology has enabled patients to get much more engaged with the therapy. So I think as an industry we've recognised the importance of really engaging with the patients to find some new solutions. So internally for us as an organisation we've operated within specialist disease areas for a long time, and so recognised how important it is to think about how to provide new solutions, new outcomes to patients. So we've worked effectively with patients to find a new device or new delivery or new support mechanisms that can really help. So we've done that very effectively in the medical, in the commercial world, how we engage with across the rest of the organisation, get people to understand across a very big company about the important role that they play in creating value and service for patients. That's the critical step, that we've got to get that engagement across everybody, across all departments, and then truly become a patient-centric company.
How do you get that engagement across all departments?
So it is a challenge, but what I've tried to do, certainly I head Europe, and so at every opportunity when we gather the teams together is we want to make patient a centric part of what we do. We've engaged with patients, we bring patients in to address the general teams that we get together. Now we're very fortunate in that what we operate with, we operate across a broad range of treatment areas, so from creating life with fertility to extending life in oncology. So difficult, challenging problems, but very emotional stories that are associated with the success that we can generate. So that immediately resonates when we can get patient engagement with everybody. It immediately resonates for people to show how important it is that what everybody does is centered around the patient to provide more of those positive outcomes.